Welcome students to the digital classroom of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This video is for class 12th, subject geography, and your topic is population, development and environment. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the relationship between population, development and environment. So let us begin with our new topic. And development. Development in general and human development in particular is a complex concept used in social sciences. It is a complex because for ages it was thought that development is a sustainative concept, and once it's achieved it will address all the socio-cultural and environmental ill of the societies. Though development has brought insignificant improvement in the quality of life on one way, but increasing regional disparities, social inequalities, discrimination, deprivation, displacement of people, abuse of human rights and undetermining human values and environmental degradations have also increased. So, what do we understand by development? Development doesn't mean increasing in something. It means developing in a good sense. Like increment in crime is not good for the society, but development of the society is very, very important. So there is a big difference between development and environment. So all three are interconnected: population, environment and development. Basically these three all are interconnected. How these are connected? See, if there is a growth in population, then it will have effect on environment, and if all three are connected to each other, then it is also emphasized on progressive democratization and increasing empowerment of people and minimum conditions for human development. The report recognized greater constructive role of civil societies in bringing about peace and human development. The civil society should work for building up opinions for reduction in the military expenditure, demobilization of armed forces, transitions from defense to production of basic goods and services, and particularly disarmament and reduction in the nuclear warheads by the developed countries. In a nuclearized world, peace and well-being are major global concern. So we all know that every country is developing slowly, steadily, but each and every country is developing. So the main concern or the major concern is that with this development there should be a well-being and peace in the major throughout the globe. There should be peace and there should be a well-being of the globe. That is the major concern of the country. At the other extreme of this approach lie the view expressed by the neo-Malthusian environmentalist and radical ecologist. They believe that for a happy and peaceful social life, proper balance between population and resource is a necessary condition. So if we see, if the population is more and the resources are less, then that will be a condition of you can say that people will lack. So basic needs will be required, and for that basic resources are required. So it is very important to have resources.